So, lalagay nyo that is equal to 1,150 multiplied by 15. So, ito yung unang area plus 150 multiplied by 15 plus magkakamukha naman pala 100 times 15. So, ito yung area total. So, 150 by 15 plus 150 by 15 plus 100 by 15. 6,000. And then, yung centroid natin, that is equal to yung unang area, 150 by 15. Ano yung centroid niya? Dito, that is 7.5 plus 150 by 15. Ang centroid niya, simula dito sa top, that is equal to 15 plus 75, 90. Plus 100 by 15. Ano yung centroid niya from the top? So, 165 plus 7. 165 plus 7.5. 172.5. So, bar Y is equal to 150 times 15 times 7.5 plus 150 by 15 by 90 plus 100 by 15 by 172.5 over 6,000. So, the answer is 79.69. O, tama to. Pagka may 69. Or, kung gusto nyo sa Caltech, sa calculator integral, so pwede nyo ilagay ay 0 to x, o 0 to 15. Ang limit natin is 150 dy plus integral of 15 to 165. That is equal to 15 by dy. Ay, sorry, kulang ng y pala. Y. Plus integral of 165 to 170. Tama ba? 180 pala. 180. That is y multiplied by 100 dy. So, the bar y is equal to alpha x 150 from 0 to 50 plus integral of 50 plus integral of 100y x divided by 60. 79.69 din. Divided by area total pa to. Di ba hindi kabisado? Hindi malinaw. Hanap na lang tayo. Try kong maghanap niyan. Sa mga books na in-upload ko, marami namang ganito. Kung di ako nagkakamali. Pakihanap na lang yung mga appendix nila.